Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medics. I have a brand new, well, not so brand new, a version 2 flashlight from Olight. This is the Seeker 2. Has a couple of new features I think you guys are going to like, and it actually comes with another attachment that I think you guys are going to like. I like it, so stay tuned. So overall, the Seeker 2 weighs right at 7 ounces, is 5 inches in length, and is about 1 inch in diameter. So this is a 3200 lumen flashlight. It's a rechargeable battery pack, 500 milliamps, gonna give you lots of runtime with this. So we'll take a little bit closer look here at the bevel here. I do think this nice aggressive bevel, this could be used as a defensive tool, nice blunt object. So it's got the rubber textures here on the side, so if your hands are muddy, bloody, or whatever, you can still have a nice grip on your flashlight. And the Seeker 2 is waterproof, so absolutely no problems washing off all of the dirt, soap, whatever you need to wash off of it. So the Seeker 2 has 5 different lumen levels. At level 1, your max power, 3200 lumens. And then it goes to 1200 lumens, 300 lumens. You have a 500 lumens, and at level 5, it's 5 lumens. You also have an SOS if you triple click it. Definitely excited about the mounting bracket here. So it has some tape here so you can kind of put it on there, but it also comes with screws. So I'm going to go ahead and screw it into the wall. And we'll just go ahead and use the screws that are provided. Use the tape to kind of help hold it in place, and then we'll just screw it to make sure it's 100% in place. And now they've got it firmly in place. Hook your USB charger to the top. Boom. So the Seeker 2 also comes with this nice carrying case here. Keeps it protected and safe. You could wear it on your belt. You could wear it through a MOLLE system here as well. You can weave it through your MOLLE system. Hook it through a carabiner. Hook it wherever you need to. And it's going to keep your flashlight protected, out of the weather, things like that. Keep it safe. Alright guys, so let's do a little torture test here. So we'll go ahead and rinse off all the dirt and gravel and stuff from where I ran over it. Alright, so if you click the on off switch here 3 times, triple tap it really quick, it goes into strobe mode. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put it in strobe mode because I've lost a few Olights doing like this, so I throw them and can't find them. And it's still strobing. I can see it from here, but I'll take you down there and show you. Still strobing. Alright, so we'll do a drop test real quick. So, for whatever reason, I'm on top of the truck. I'm going to drop it bevel down so we can see it. Still on. So Olight is going to have a flash sale May the 3rd. I'll put all information down below. I'll put a link down below. That link is an affiliate link, so I appreciate you using that. That helps support the Skinny Medic channel. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training. Alright, so we got the next generation YouTuber here. He wants to get on the action. So what are you gonna do?
Throw it.
Did you break it?
I don't think so. I can't tell if it's scratched or not.
But it's on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks pretty beat up. But lens isn't cracked, is it?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Scratched it a little bit, but that's about it.